Hey everyone, in a few hours I will be watching UFC 229 featuring Conor McGregor and Khabib Nurmagomedov. So I'm really excited about that. Before watching it though, I wanted to get in a good workout. At the minute, I'm doing double unders, which is where the rope makes 2 rotations under your feet with each jump. It's quite a challenging move, but with some practice, patience, and good technique, you can get the hang of it. I made some tutorial videos on it before, but I wanted to make another to address a mistake which I see very often by people learning how to do double unders.